That was a great ride.
Good morning. What's new? Running a little bit late. I forgot the battery for my derailleur when I came outside the house, so I had to spin back and get it. Plan of action is go meet Con, he's like 5 minutes away, and then go link up with a couple of the other guys. See you in a while. Bye bye. Say something of interest.
Something of interest.
And it's raining. That's for you.
No, I have to play.
Oh, we've done. Okay, go. 1, on 3.
Yeah.
1. Wait, you have to count as well. 1, 2, 3. On 3.
Okay, I will get it.
No, that's fine. Climbing. Unbelievable up here. It's for the vlog. Again, I want something insightful. Something very insightful, something profound.
No matter how far you cycle, the mountains will still seem far away.
I like this view. It was my first time ever when I went to Dublin, and I was here. I was fucking surprised so much.
Yeah.
I never expect, because everyone told me like, oh, you moved to Dublin, but there is no mountains, there is nothing. And when I was here, I was like, fuck's sake, there is everything.
That's it.
You got like 10 times stronger since last week.
Did you hear that? Great conditions, if you ask me. So, hello, just in the door. That was a great ride. The weather was crazy. It was so windy and like rainy and cold and kind of miserable, but it was fun. Sorry, that's my dog scratching if you hear that. I think like we had the group of us that went out were pretty strong, and I think it was, we had some like good speed. And yeah, for like, I'll put the stats of the ride here somewhere on the screen. It was just good fun. Like Ireland, specifically Dublin and the neighboring county Wicklow for bike riding is so like undervalued and underappreciated. It is incredible. In 30 minutes you can be in the mountains, and you go in an hour, you're like in the most incredible landscapes, and yeah, it's pretty special. Thanks for watching. Got some cool videos to come. Going to Mallorca in 2 weeks for a week, so stand by for that. Have a good time, stay safe.